Are you looking for robust features to add to your laundry app? What if we could offer a convenient app-based laundry experience with features you will love? Without wasting any time, let's move on to the essential features to take your laundry app to the next level. User app, user registration and login, scheduling, real-time tracking, order history, payment options, notifications, ratings and reviews, referral program, customer support, service provider panel, dashboard, order management, notifications, performance analytics, communication, admin panel, dashboard, user management, service provider management, delivery management, order tracking, financial reporting, promotions and offers, analytics, customer support. For ambitious entrepreneurs ready to revolutionize laundry services, our services are the game changer. With robust features and seamless user experience, our laundry app services will bring you success in the laundry industry. Invest in the laundry app today and watch your business soar to new heights. The future of laundry begins here.